Welcome back to another vlog. In this one I take you down the famous road to Hana with my family and with a local. So I hope you enjoy watching and welcome to my life. La vie de Valentina. Woke up, rolled out of bed. Today we are getting ready to do the road to Hana. Get up. Anyway, let's go outside. Good morning! Day 3 of Maui. Papi, Luli, Chica on the phone. We are gonna go now to a bakery and then road to Hana.
Yes!
Beautiful town. Wow! Oh my gosh, the smell of this. What is this bread? I want this. You saw the little bag? After this, we met up with our local tour guide. I actually went on Airbnb experiences and it was the highest rated experience in all of Maui. It is by Rent a Maui Boy and it is by far the best experience I have ever had. I will leave their link in the description box. Bye, you want ginger candy?
What?
Ginger candy, para la náusea.
No, thank you.
I definitely recommend bringing something for nausea because there are a lot of winding roads, so that's a must. When I tell you guys.
Bobby, please. I need you in my life.
So a little backstory, I thought it was just a hike that we needed to get to the waterfall, but what you really get to is a mini waterfall. Then you have this huge waterfall behind it, but you have to climb up this little rope and down this little rope. So I was actually really scared. This is us on our way back down. Now that is how you start and experience a day.
Thank you.
Open it? No, I want Duty to open it. Oh.
Yeah, the color.
Wow, this is good.
And this is like kupipi. Kupipi is like they stuck to the rock in the ocean.
Oh, no, that's not what I was going for. I was going like, hey, but okay.
We were not on their time, we're on our own time.
Fíjate, viene una grande.
always thought, what could be so special about this road to Hana? And then I understood. Spending time with my family is priceless, but I don't think I could have done this road to Hana by myself, as organized as I am. Seeing it through a local's perspective and having him take us through all the nooks and crannies that not a lot of people know about is quite amazing. The love they have for the island comes through in every place they took us.
There was a lot going through my head. I was like, when am I gonna touch the water? Why am I still falling?
Sometimes I just wanna go back, try to make it all undone, so it didn't have to hurt this bad.
Sunscreen, reef safe sunscreen. But this is body butter.
Es que a ti te pienso tanto, no creo que solo
How about you, puppy? You learned a lot?
por ti baby doy el mundo, tú la mitad en mi corazón, baby tú y yo, queriéndonos, sintiéndonos, hazme el amor, y el que tanto dice tenerme,
Boom.